What's going on, team? I'm glad you made it back to another video. If you were watching the previous video, you'll see that I was helping one of my clients unbox and assemble their own home gym. During that video, we got a shipment that was going to be completing the entire set, which was the plates that he was going to be getting and using for his gym. So, without further ado, we're going to get into that, unboxing them and seeing what they look like too. Awesome. So, just like in the previous video, all of the packaging and everything is is pretty simple. I mean, pretty legit, put together. And because it was enough, let's see what this is looking like. Nice and clean. Oh, you can't see. All right, nice and clean because even shipment, everything came together. And shout out to the people who actually brought it in, because they didn't just throw it around and let it damage. So these look nice. These are 25-pound plates. Alright, and as you can see in the background, these are 55-pound plates, which is the same style of what he ordered. So we have these. It's going to be the order 15s and 10-pound pairs. That sounded gross. Alright. So those are the 15s. And these are the 10s. Alright. Last one to complete the pair. Nice. So let's open them up. Oh snap. Oh snap. Okay. Alright. These are beautiful. 10-pound Rogue Fleck bumper plates. Oh my gosh. I thought these were beautiful before, but now comparing them, these, oh my gosh, here's a close shot. Very thin because they are 10-pound plates, but has a nice little flex to it. Interesting. Alright, so those are the 10 pounds. Leave them right here in the back. So, let's do the contrast. I'll pull out the 15 pounds. On the website, I will say that based on the 10 pounds and the 55 pounds, they don't make them look as nice as they do in person. And I don't know if this video is going to make them look as nice as they do in person, but they look pretty beautiful. The 15 pounds I kind of made fun of as I saw them on the website for recommending them, because they reminded me of canvas notebooks. So let's see if... Nah, they look better than that in person. Oh my gosh. So they do have that regular canvas notebook look, but extremely prettier. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Alright. 15 pounds, also thin, but definitely a little bit thicker than the 15 pounds. I'll compare them all at the end. Wow, that's pretty. And finally, we have the 25 pounds. Okay. Okay, These are sick. And now, what's even more exciting between the aesthetics of how they look by themselves is how beautiful they're going to be looking on the bar as you're using them. So, we got the 10s, 25s, 15s, and we have the 55s. Let's now unbox the rest of the plates just to be able to see how everything else looks. Because so far, based on the first plates that came in, everything looks nice and tidy. So these 15s look just as pretty or even prettier than the original 15s that we unboxed. These 10s, probably the same. Only one way to find out though. Oh yeah. If only you could feel this. These feel nice. Very, very, very nice. Alright. And now, the last of the bunch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For what they are, for what they look like on the site, and for what you want to get, knowing you're getting into this, seeing them in person is a lot prettier. Wow. Wow. So, going over the diameter of the plates, I believe they're all the same. There's the 10 and the 55, just like stated on the website. It's about 17 3/4 of an inch. Yeah. And then that's the 10 on top of the 55 and the 25 right here. Same thing. And then when you're going with the thickness, we will get we will get this one. I believe was supposed to be 0.83 of an inch when you're using inches, and it seems about 1 inch completely, more or less, give or take. All right. Next to 15, same thing with diameter, and then the thickness of the plate entirely. Now you're looking at about an inch and a half. An inch and like 3/8 kind of. Alright. By the way, the 10s and the 15 weren't able to stand up on their own. The 25 seems like it can if it's placed just right, but just in case you were interested, it can on itself, which is interesting. I guess depending on the texture, the mats that we have might not allow it to stabilize by itself. These are about 1 3/4 inches, the 25s, giving it a little bit more room. They're actually more, what is that? 1.5, a little more. Yes. 1.5 inches, somewhere between like 1 inch and 6/8, 7/8, no 6/8 more or less. And the big boy 55, this one right here, can definitely stand on its own. It can have its own full-time job if it wanted to. The thickness with this one is a whopping 3 inches, pretty much. There's a little bit of wiggle room, but should be good. Nice. Alright, so that was us unboxing the plate set that my client had ordered. Like we said earlier, I believe in this video, but definitely in the previous video, my client and I have no affiliation with Rogue. I just recommended it because I know they're a good quality company, and especially for the price. If you're looking for something you can spend a little bit more money on, and something that's durable, something that's going to last you a long time and you're going to be safe using, I would definitely say to check them out. These are the Fleck plates. They are pretty much the same as the other plates. I believe at a 90 durometer rating. But the reasoning behind these plates were, although they're called the Fleck CK plates, they're a flex because they're beautiful. You see these and I don't know, I see them and I instantly think they would look dope in your own home gym, and they look beautiful. So these were the plates that we ordered. Well, he ordered, I helped him order. Looking through different plate settings, durometer ratings between metal, steel, rubber was best for in-home. And like I've been saying, the most important thing when you're getting anything for your home gym, first to keep in mind is safety. So these will definitely be good to keep in your home. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure to hit that like button, share it to a friend so that we can all be safe and get these gains from home, be secure, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I always say don't make sure. Please make sure to squeeze, breathe, and believe through all your exercises. You have to make sure you're squeezing your muscles properly to get the proper connection. You have to make sure you're breathing, especially if you're working at home alone and you don't have anybody near you to tell you that you're not breathing or you are breathing. So you can always make sure you're not going to pass out. And if you're home alone working out and you pass out, that doesn't really sound like a good idea. So, and you always have to believe in yourself because you can do it. And if you, for whatever reason, thought that you are not able to have your own home gym, this is just part of home gym that you can get started with. You don't have to get a 55-pound plate. You don't have to get a 25-pound plate if that's too much for you. You can start with the 15, you can start with the 10, you can start with the bar alone, and you can do it. So thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you in the next one. Peace. Come on.